Have a little test of these motor controller circuits on these, so make sure there's no shorts. So you've got 3 pins on each one that go to the motor, so if it's shorted it'll be a low resistance value. That one's 0.6 ohms. This one's 0.6. The last one 0.6. So there's no short there and they're all equal values, so that's good. Do this one. So that's 12,000.72, 12,000.77, and 12,000.69, all roughly about the same, but completely different readings though. Over 12,000 kilo ohms. I am told if they're below 10,000 kilo ohms that's bad, but with that one being only 1 ohm, it tells me that there's different versions. So try this one. So that's 72,000 ohms. 72,000 ohms. And the same again. So they're all near enough equal and no shorts. So basically that's telling me the motor controllers is good on them. So I think that's a pretty good test. So you can just test the voltage on these pins here. So 1.3 volts, 1.3 volts, 1.3 volts. They're all exactly the same voltage.